actually completed some productive projects this year. Watch and see what they are. Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And you're all playing, what did she do that was productive? Because all she does is sit in front of this video thing and buy stuff and give them away. Well, I did have some projects I wanted to complete this summer. And it's taken me all summer to get them done, but they are done. So one of them is our garden window in the kitchen. And then our fireplace, where our big clock over the fireplace came tumbling down and broke into smithereens, the glass on it. And lastly, the biggest project was redoing our pantry, clearing it out, getting rid of a bunch of junk. So sit back, enjoy, and I'll warn you, the last one, which is the pantry, is speeded up. So I thought it was kind of funny to watch. And then you hear this little Mickey Mouse voice going on. It's me. So I hope you enjoy it. Sit back, popcorn, soda, enjoy. Here's my little garden window in the kitchen. And you can see it's just kind of all willy-nilly put together. I hate those false crap. What do you call them? Pictures in the window there. I want to get those out. And I've just been, shoving stuff willy-nilly here and there in there. So as you know, when I was in Yuma, this is the sink faucet in case you were wondering what that was. I can't stand him having that huge thing there on the counter. Anyway, when I was in Yuma, I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought a bunch of plants and stuff to put up in this window. So we're going to redo this window too. So we will be back. Don't know when, but soon. And here is the finished product. I might have gone overboard. I know it's too much overkill, but I just picked up so many different little things that I liked, and I just didn't know which ones to not use. Now the thing right here, the top of the faucet, it's not quite centered, but they didn't put it in that way for various reasons. Yeah. So let me know what you think. Now you saw the picture or video or picture, whatever I ended up taking, of after the clock fell, smashed to smithereens, and Bob's on the floor picking it all up. So this is the temporary fix. That picture above the fireplace I actually got to go in my computer room. So stay tuned for the completed look. And here is a finished product. Now we decided that clock still works. It's got a chip on the frame, but it's towards the back so you can't see it up on the top. So it's up there without glass. So now we don't have to worry about falling down and breaking. So here's the finished product. All my little goodies I picked up here and there. Oh, my little Mexico guys. These are all the storyteller babies. Things from, where is that from? Albuquerque. And then we've got the Kachina dolls from various places. So that's what we ended up doing. It's all cleaned out. Look at this mess. This was everything that was in the pantry. Can you believe that? Look at this. So, I hope that at least half of it is going to go to either my thrift store or the Goodwill. I mean, we've got stuff. I mean, this was from when Bailey, our cat who's no longer with us, had diabetes, and there's a lot of other stuff too. So, we're taking a break because we're hot and sweaty. Well, here we are several hours later. Look it up there, nothing up on those, that very top shelf, hardly anything on the next one. All those wine bottles Bob emptied in the sink and threw them out. The recycling picker-upper people will think we had a big party. Some of this stuff like these, I don't even have anything in yet. So Bob organized all this back here, because this is all his equipment. And then I organize these things with strict instructions. You put things back where you found them. So, you know, it didn't look like we got rid of a lot, but we did. Because over here are 2 full boxes of cooking things, you know, like pans and all that kind of stuff for my thrift store. This box is for the things that go back in the motorhome. This one, I'm going to see if the fish line, which is a food bank, will take them. And this one is a Goodwill box. So, oh, here's some more over here. Those little cans of cat food are prescriptions, so we're going to put an ad on our little local city free thing and say, anybody wants that food, just come by, pick it up on the porch. In that other bag, it's got all this diabetic monitors and stuff for cats. So we don't want to throw it out. We had to pay a lot of money for them for when Bailey had diabetes. So we're just gonna put that somewhere in the garage with all the other cat stuff we moved out of the house when Lucy passed on. So, that'll do it. What you think? Comment below. Share, like, and subscribe, and we love you all. Bye.